By age 30, you should be smart enough to realize this. 1. Stay silent. Not everything needs to be said. 2. Silence is better than unnecessary drama. 3. If you find someone smarter than you, work with them. Don't compete. Competition is weakness. 4. The family you create is more important than the family you come from. 5. Your current job doesn't care about you. They only pay you enough to kill your dreams. 6. Free yourself from the society's advice. Most of them have no idea of what they're doing. 7. It's better to have one friend who's happy for you, supports your win, encourages your dreams, than a bunch of acquaintances who are lazy, self-centered, jealous of your success. 8. You'll be 10 times happier if you forgive your parents and stop blaming them. 9. If you continue waiting for the right time, you'll waste your whole life and nothing will happen. 10. No one will ever come save you. Your life is 100% your responsibility. 11. Your inner circle should be more focused on money, success, and starting a family. 12. You don't need 100 self-help books. All you need is actions and self-discipline. Drop 100 if you agree with me. Leave us a like and a follow if you love the video. God bless you.